heading down to Rough River Dam. We're gonna go like 15 miles that way. Luckily it's close to home. We're picking up our first Trailblazer Edition Blazer. Let's go check it out. It was a daily driver and then the transmission quit on you or what?
Yeah, transmission line popped off of it.
I burned it up. Yeah. That will for sure happen. So when you was talking about it, it would kind of go into first. You didn't put the line back on or anything, did you? Or you did put the line back on?
We did, yeah. And we filled it back up with fluid, and it wouldn't work. So
yeah. So what year did you say this was?
99.
99. That's the Trailblazer Edition. Okay, sounds good. I got it right here. Nice. See, my least favorite thing to see when somebody pops the hood on an airplane is spaghetti wires. And then we'll load it up and it'll be out of your hair. On the title. Hope it runs. Alright, sounds healthy. Alright, put it in reverse and see if it'll back up. You know what? Turn it off. I'll back my trailer up to it. Reverse is working. We'll back it onto the trailer because he says it might not. First gear wouldn't always take, right?
Well, you get into first gear most of the time, but anything above that it would not go into.
Okay. That's crazy.